Hi everyone, Joshua here with Barista Warehouse. Today we're going to check out the Porlex Tall Coffee Hand Grinder. This is a great choice for a travel grinder as it only weighs 280 grams. Yet it's still made from quality stainless steel and it will grind up to 45 grams of beans at a time, which is plenty of coffee for however you're brewing with it. Now the four parts to the grinder are the handle, which has a nice smooth action to it whilst grinding, and it's easy to grip onto, and at the other end is where it attaches to the main shaft of the grinder. There's a lid too that attaches to the top of the grinder body, and you place this on before attaching the handle. This way you don't have any of those coffee beans bouncing out during grinding. Now the length of the grinder body is quite practical, as there's plenty of real estate to get hold of the grinder whilst cranking that handle. And the grinds catcher is a generous size too, and it slips on really securely with a twist, so you needn't worry about it falling off during grinding. Now underneath that, once you've removed the grinds catcher, you'll have the stepped grind adjustment nut, and you use this for changing the grind setting. Now it's a handy feature where each grind change can be heard with the click of the adjustment nut. Turn it right or clockwise for fine, and left or anti-clockwise for a coarser setting. The Porlex grinder will produce a range of grind sizes, perfect for filter style coffee brewing, from stovetop all the way up to French press. And if you want to put in the work, it would happily grind for manual espresso makers, except it does take some time, like 2 to 3 minutes to grind through a 20-gram dose at those finer settings. Porlex grinders use Japanese ceramic conical burrs that are really well made and remain sharp for an extremely long time if taken care of. And the grind consistency of the Porlex is better than expected and is supported by a spring that keeps the inner burr in place without too much movement under load. Now maintenance and cleaning should be done regularly to keep your Porlex performing consistently. So I'm talking undoing everything from the adjustment nut and it will all come apart. Now these burrs won't rust, so you can rinse them underwater to keep them like new. Now Porlex have a smaller version to the Tall, the Porlex Mini as well, and you can check both of these grinders out on our website. And that's the Porlex Tall Coffee Hand Grinder for you. Using freshly ground coffee will always produce better results in the cup, and the Porlex Tall is the great grinder to do just that. It's durable and easy to take with you on the road. If you have any questions on the Porlex Tall Coffee Grinder, then throw them in the comments section below and we'll get straight back to you. Don't forget to hit that bell icon so you can keep notified when we bring out videos just like this one every week. If you've liked the video, hit like and we'll see you next time.